Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel. I just want to discuss that I have a Maker World channel with models, all kinds of models, about 115 models you can choose from. Monsters, tongs, cat tongs, uh, witches, um, actors. Matter of fact, Will Smith is on there. Just look for Will on Duty, I think it is. And he's a cool model. And also Elizabeth Montgomery, Bewitched, I have there, and she's a cool model. And you could download them, paint them up, put them in studio, and you'll enjoy making the model. And it's nothing to download a model from MakerWorld to get started. Try the easier ones first, and maybe the difficult ones later. I just want to tell you about that because some people don't know about it, and just want to show you where they are. There's going to be a link in the description. I will put the link only in the description and also maybe in the comments so you can find where it is. Um, the Maker World doesn't advertise my models as much, but if you guys download them and check them out, maybe they will. Thanks. Bye.